Hello my dear students, welcome to BYJU'S Exam Prep. Hope you guys are fine. So guys, join the session fast. Be fast guys. Faster, faster. Come on. Be fast and join the session so that we can start with the MSQ questions. Till then, let me tell you a few things regarding that. You all guys know that on 4th of February, mechanical students are having the paper, and 12th of February, civil engineering students are having the papers. So live examination analysis will be done. So guys, if you haven't subscribed the channel, please do so. Okay, next coming further, already told about to you, you can get the answer key also, the expected cutoff, everything will be given to you. So be ready for that. Next, if you are preparing for ESC, then non-tech marathon starts from 13th of February. Next, there is a scholarship test which will be happening on 7th of February at 7:30 p.m. So guys, you can enroll for this and you can give the scholarship test, just for letting know that where do you stand right now. Okay, good evening. 30 minutes, ma'am, need your blessings for environmental science and engineering. My blessings are with you, Ritu, after so long. Great. Okay, 30 minutes. Yeah, you can join my Telegram group also. GATE preparation ebook link is in the description. And guys, let me inform you one thing before we move. Actually, many students were telling that ma'am, अब बहुत डर लग रहा है. We are feeling very much nervous. We are very much feeling tensed. Don't know. ऐसा लग रहा है सब भूल रहे हैं मैम. बहुत डर लग रहा है. Mock test में अच्छा नंबर नहीं आने. All those n number of things, etc. So guys, this session is happening today. 1st of February, that is today at 10 p.m. Link is already been created. You guys can set your reminder. Anybody having any doubts, you can come at 10 p.m. In 30 minutes, we will try our best that in 30 minutes, along with your doubts, what are the important things which we have to tell you, we should do that. Okay, मैम, वो क्वेश्चन हाइड्रोलॉजी का बिना सर टेलीग्राम में भेजा था. अरे तुमने उनके में भेजा, मुझे मेरे में भेज देते ऋषभ, मैंने देखा नहीं, अब उनके में भेज दिया था तो कोई बात नहीं. चलो गाइस, नाउ रेडी. एक बार मुझे फॉरवर्ड कर देना, वो ऊपर चला गया होगा नहीं तो. ऋषभ, अरुण, एवरीबॉडी रेडी? Ready? First tell me you are ready, then only we'll set the timer 7:03. So it's about like we'll complete it around that. मैम मेंटी वर्क करवा दीजिए कभी, अब करवाते हैं. मैसेज सेंड नहीं हो सकता, ऐसा कैसे हो गया भाई, पता नहीं. I'll check it out. Okay, पहले ही आपको एक हिंट दे दूं. First of all questions are MSQ. Secondly, if you see the GATE pattern till now, as far as environment is concerned, they haven't asked MSQ question form of question. That question format like means ma'am what? आपको question दिया and there 3-4 options are there regarding the parameters. No, generally they have asked you theoretical questions. So okay, मैं ग्रुप में मीडिया अलाउड नहीं है, मैं उसको ठीक कर दूंगी. I'll just मैं वाला ग्रुप में नहीं है. हाँ, फाइन, I'll change the settings. Okay, so now we'll start. So technically सबसे पहले आप सबको आंसर देना है. Secondly guys, फर्स्टली तो बोल दिया, सेकेंडली क्वेश्चन को ध्यान से पढ़ना बिकॉज इट इज वेरी कंफ्यूजिंग. डिसहार्टेंड कोई नहीं होगा, प्रैक्टिस करवाने के लिए बैठे हैं. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. This is the first question. Till the time I'll try to fastly. How many questions we can expect from wastewater? At least 2 to 3. Fine. I want the answer fast. First I want the answer. Come on, be fast guys. A, B, C, D. ध्यान से. Rishabh, everybody, I want the answer, then only I'll proceed. That's why I've taken 30 minutes of time. Otherwise, 12 question, 1 minute each, 12 minutes. But if I'll do, then what you will learn? Those who are saying B and A are correct, kindly read the statement properly. दिखता सही है, होता नहीं है. Remember this. दिखता सही है, it looks correct but it isn't. Danesh, read the statement correctly. Nobody, not even a single student has given me the correct answer. Guys, buck up. What is happening to you all? Very good. Priyansh, Rishabh, struggle. Very good. बाकी सब गलत है. C and D are the correct one. Now let me tell you. Sludge is aerated, means oxygen provide kiya in the ASP to avoid bacterial growth. What is the hell it is talking about? It is to increase bacterial growth because we want microorganisms to be there. Okay, so this statement you can categorically reject it. Microorganisms is treated in activated sludge reactor. Microorganisms is treated or organic matter is treated, or you can say pre-treated sewage is treated. जो पहले से PST से that sewage comes, that is treated. Pre-treated sewage is treated in activated sludge process. Bit confusing और ऐसे ही questions आएंगे. Remember 2021 a question regarding ammonium ion and pH came. Maximum students were not able to solve. So if MSQ will come, there are maximum chances they will give you this confusing one. Okay. Next. Clarifier is the next reactor after activated sludge reactor in the treatment process. Clarifier means basin or you can call sedimentation tank. Correct. Sequential batch reactor combines aeration basin and secondary clarifier. Yes. SBR. One more question. If in the examination they ask you what does SBR stands for in ASP, it stands for sequential batch reactor. So this is also correct. This question. कोई बात नहीं, if the first one was wrong, I want this answer right now. ये आ गया. हाँ ठीक है, आ गया तो. Come on, faster. Tell me the answer for this. Which of the following statement are correct? Faster. I want the answer, then only I'll proceed, otherwise I won't. Let's be quick. Read everything properly. Give a minute. और अगर if you are not able to make things in the mind, you are not able to recall, take a pen and paper and solve it. अच्छा, aeration के बाद ये है and then try to do it. ABD. Struggle life. Correct, beta. Only he said the correct one. When the aeration system shuts off, when there is no aeration system, the basin begins to perform as clarifier. That means the sedimentation tank begins to perform as a tank in ASP. That's correct. Okay. Aeration provides the dual purpose. Aeration means you are providing oxygen. You know, in ASP we provide the oxygen, provides the dual purpose of providing dissolved oxygen. That's correct. And mixing up of the mixed liquor and wastewater. Mixed liquor means sewage sample and wastewater. That's also correct. ASP is used in treating all types of wastewater. No. ASP is used for treating that wastewater which consists of predominant biodegradable organic matter. Clear? So this is wrong. ASP degrades organic matter and removes nutrients. Yes, that's correct. ASP is basically installed for the removal of dissolved organic matter. So this is correct. Okay. Which one? When the aeration system shuts off, okay, the basin जो आपका tank है begins to perform as a clarifier in ASP. If it is, I'm telling you again, एरिएशन सिस्टम नहीं है, ऑक्सीजन नहीं सप्लाई कर रहे हैं. द बेसिन, बेसिन मीन्स टैंक. टैंक बिगिंस टू परफॉर्म एज अ क्लैरिफायर इन एएसपी. कहने का मतलब है अगर मैंने एरिएशन सिस्टम है, ठीक है, एरिएशन टैंक है, उसके बाद आपका एसएसटी है, अगर मैंने यहां पे एरिएशन बंद कर दिया तो ये क्या परफॉर्म करने लग जाएगा? अगर देखो दो तरीके से, टू थिंग्स इट कैन बी पॉसिबल बिकॉज दिस स्टेटमेंट इज कंफ्यूजिंग. व्हेन द एरिएशन सिस्टम शट्स ऑफ मींस अगर लेट अस सपोज ऑक्सीजन इज शट ऑफ, द बेसिन, ये जो टैंक, इट बिगिंस टू परफॉर्म एज अ क्लैरिफायर. ऑब्वियसली नथिंग इट विल डू, इट विल फंक्शन एज अ टैंक. तो ये चीज तो सही है. एंड let us suppose if it is saying that yahan ja raha hai, तो then also it is functioning as a tank. If it is not specifying secondary sedimentation tank or primary sedimentation tank, funda is clear that it is functioning as a clarifier, as a sedimentation tank. बात वहीं खत्म है. Clear? Function कर रहा है. It doesn't bother whether it is primary or secondary. That you have to, that's based on your common sense. By default it will be secondary. Clear, Mukul? Now clear, Rishabh? Now this third question. ध्यान से, this question I want everybody to tell me the right option. See, for the growth of microorganisms, first recirculation has to be there. First recirculation has to be there, then aeration is there. It is just giving a statement, Mukul. If aeration is shut off, if aeration is shut off, it is not talking about removal anything. If aeration is shut off, it will behave like a clarifier. That's it. Okay? Now the statement. Wrong. Priyansh, wrong. ध्यान से, read it properly again. Not even a single student has gave me the right answer. No, nobody. Yashashwi, nobody. Okay, you tell me. In the activated sludge process, sludge volume index, which you write it as VOB upon X, sludge volume index. This is used to decide the recirculation ratio. Correct. Now, those who are saying B, guys, एक बार visualize कर लिया करो. Kindly do that. Try to visualize. Lower food to microorganisms ratio. If food to microorganisms ratio is lower, that means food is less, microorganisms is more. खाना कम है, खाने वाले ज्यादा हैं. Food means organic matter. Quantitatively, you report in terms of BOD. Microorganisms, quantitatively, you report in terms of suspended solids. What is happening here? F by M ratio is less. Means खाना कम, खाने वाले ज्यादा. That means higher BOD removal. This has to be higher. So this is incorrect. Yes, correct, Mukul. You shouldn't apply question mark. You should be determined, ma'am. This will be the answer. Okay. In high rate activated sludge treatment, bacteria are removed from 60 to 80%. Wrong. 80% to 95%. Nobody gave me the correct answer. To maintain aerobic condition, supply of oxygen is required. That's a petty statement. Got that? Okay. Okay. Abhinav sir is there. Good evening, sir. And yes, guys, as you all know that there is an OCF marathon which will be happening on 3rd of February at 8:30 p.m. So you guys can join the session. I was confused in C. Okay. Okay, it is 80 to 95%. Generally also if you talk about activity sludge process, it is 80 to 95%. Okay. Yeah, this one. 4th. Solid waste management. I don't want again the mistake. If you are confused in anything, you should tell me that one. Otherwise, tell me the correct answer. If you are confused, then the ones in which you are pretty much sure, at least give those statements as the answer. Come on. Faster. Faster. I want the answer. C is wrong. I'm asking the correct one. A, B, D. Mukul, thoda aur dhyan se. I don't think you know the B option, so you can say, ma'am, I'm not pretty much sure in B1. Okay. Vermicomposting is the process by which earthworms decomposes biodegradable solid waste. Absolutely true. As per CPCB, Central Pollution Control Board, 0.1 kg solid waste is generated in large cities. Let me tell you, there are 3 types of cities: small city, medium city, and large city. The solid waste generated 0.1 kg per person per day is for small city, 0.3 to 0.4 for medium city, 0.5 for large city, and it is given solid waste generated is 0.1 kg in large cities, which is incorrect. Okay, so B is incorrect. Next, the aerobic method of composting is Bangalore method. Categorically rejected. Why? Because Indore method is aerobic, Bangalore is anaerobic. Okay. I got an idea also. See, Indore. Okay. Now see, Bangalore there is AN written. So if you guys get confused, अभी मेरे को बढ़ाते बढ़ाते दिमाग में है. See, if you get confused that मैम भूल जाते हैं Indore is aerobic or Bangalore is aerobic or anaerobic. So see, Bangalore AN is there. So now you won't forget that Bangalore anaerobic. Okay. So this is wrong. Decomposition of domestic waste under natural process is known as biodegradable process. Correct. ऐसे ही याद किया है, मुझे तो अभी आया दिमाग में. Okay. This one again. Mukul, everybody. मैम मैंने ऐसे याद किया इंदौर साफ सिटी से एरोबिक. मैंने भी ऐसे याद किया था स्ट्रगल कि इंदौर लाइक इट कंसेक्यूटिवली इट इज गेटिंग द क्लीनेस्ट सिटी. सो आई आल्सो रिमेंबर्ड द सेम मैनर. व्हिच ऑफ दिस फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज आर करेक्ट? बट ये वाला ज्यादा अच्छा है. बैंगलोर में एन है, सो इट्स एनारोबिक. कम ऑन गाइस. Which of the following statements are correct? CD. Okay. Correct पूछा है. It is asking correct. गलत. B and D. Whoever said B and D, Priyansh, Risha, Yashashvi, D is also correct. Okay. So the municipal solid waste is the term used to describe hazardous solid waste. Wrong. It is used to describe non-hazardous solid waste. So this is wrong. Aluminium can be recycled many times. That's correct. तभी आप देखते होगे whenever these people when they come na for taking plastics and all from you, they take aluminium because and you can see these tins and all with oil cans tins. They take all those things because yeah, aluminium can be recycled n number of times. So this is correct. River is the simplest and most common method used in the cities to dump the waste that are collected. Can you tell me what is the waste? Can you tell me? Anybody? Which is the most common, simplest? Landfill. It's the most common one, which is कुछ नहीं करना भाई, dump कर दो. Landfill. Okay? So this is also wrong. When the matter present inside the sanitary landfill breaks down, methane gas is generated. Yes, that's why we make sure, because methane is known for its high explosive tendency, we should make sure that properly liberation of gas should take place. This one. Correct, Krishna Rishabh. This one. आज के सेशन में न्यूमेरिकल नहीं है ऋषभ, बिकॉज उसका रीजन यही है कि अभी तक जितने गेट में क्वेश्चंस एनवायरनमेंट से पूछे गए वो थ्योरेटिकल एमएसक्यू ज्यादा पूछे गए हैं। अभी तक मैंने आपको न्यूमेरिकल्स वाले बहुत करवा दिया, इसलिए आज का सेशन इज इंटायरली डेडिकेटेड ऑन थ्योरी, बिकॉज न्यूमेरिकल इफ यू नो द फॉर्मूला, थोड़े बहुत कंसेप्ट, यू विल डू इट, बट थ्योरेटिकल पार्ट, ग्राउंड कंसेप्ट पता होंगे तभी कर पाओगे। क्लियर? You dispose the sewage मुकुल, it is talking about the solid waste. क्वेश्चन ध्यान से पढ़ो, it is talking about the solid waste right now. हाँ, आ सकता है स्ट्रगल। मैंने अभी फिलहाल आज का टॉपिक क्या था, एक्टिवेटेड स्लज, सॉलिड वेस्ट, एयर पोल्यूशन, सो आई हैव टेकन एमएसक्यू ऑन दिस। ए एंड डी, ए नहीं है, ए इज नॉट देयर। Okay, two main primary components exist in integrated waste system. No, three are there. Can anybody tell me? Excuse me. B and D. हाँ, correct. Three are there. इसका तीन है. Source reduction, recycling, and disposal. So three main components are there, so not two. Biogas can be produced from landfill waste, correct. Plastics can be used to make compost, ये कब से हो गया भाई? नहीं है. Toxic fumes are produced when plastic is burned. Yes, you all know that. Save plastic, save life. Okay, this one. Come on guys. Faster. ABCD करेक्ट पूछा है. देर इज नो हजार्डरस वेस्ट इन नेचर, मतलब कोई हजार्डरस वेस्ट है ही नहीं. हाउ कैन दिस बी पॉसिबल? रॉन्ग. हाँ, BCD आर द करेक्ट. द अपैरेंट वेस्ट कलेक्टेड फ्रॉम वन प्रोसेस, एक से जो कलेक्ट हुआ वो दूसरे का इनपुट बन सकता है. दैट्स करेक्ट. सो करेक्ट. ऑल प्रोसेसेस ऑफ कंजम्पशन, कंज्यूम करो या प्रोडक्शन करो, कुछ ना कुछ वेस्ट तो जनरेट होगा. द वेस्ट विल बी जनरेटेड. Recycling methods is good in dealing with the solid waste problem. Of course, it is a good method and it gives employment to many people also. So BCD. Okay. Which one features zero waste management? ये तो MCQ टाइप का बन गया. इसको none of the above कर देती हूँ मैं. All of the above नहीं, none of the above. Tell me. Faster. A, B, C all are the correct one. जीरो वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट, जीरो वेस्ट जनरेट हो आप. सेपरेट ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ वेस्ट विच आर देयर. सॉलिड वेस्ट, यू नो ना, गीला कचरा, सूखा कचरा, गाड़ी वाला आया घर से कचरा निकाल, यू नो दैट सॉन्ग, दैट्स वेरी मच पॉपुलर. देन यू हैव टू टाइप्स ऑफ बकेट्स, ग्रीन बकेट, blue bucket, gila kachra, sukha kachra. So if you separate all of these things, separate the garbage at the source when the fruit pills all are there, eggs and all are there, so that's a good method. And if community is also involved, let us suppose you compost, जो भी आपके घर में whatsoever fruit pills all are there, you compost it and create a manure, obviously it will help in zero waste management. So A, B, C, who said it? Black prime, correct. This one. Air pollution. तो क्या करूं भैया? अच्छा, गाड़ी वाला आया भैया तो घर से कचरा निकालो. Come on. Fast. Fast, guys. I want the answer. CD. थोड़ा ध्यान से. ACD. Who said ACD is correct? Only one person, Rishabh, said correct. It's correct. Carbon monoxide is a major pollutant. Yes. CO, you know that it's very much detrimental to the health of humankind. Clouds are present in thermosphere. No, it is present in troposphere. Supersonic jets cause pollution by thinning of ozone layer. That's also correct. The atmosphere in big cities, it's polluted because of the automobile exhaust. You know that. That's why every time there is an upgradation in an automobile, BS6, BS4, BS5, whatsoever it is there, because the thinning of ozone layer is taking place at an exponential rate. This one. Photochemical smog. हम CO2 के बारे में बता दीजिए. प्राइमरी पोल्यूटेंट. क्या बोल रहे हो? CO2 के बारे में बता दो. CO2 के बारे में. CO2 प्राइमरी पोल्यूटेंट है या सेकेंडरी पूछ रहे हो? स्ट्रगल अगर ये क्वेश्चन है, then it is a primary pollutant. If you are asking that, then it is a primary pollutant. AC. Photochemical reaction is formed from automobile. इसमें गलत कर दिया. black prime ABD. B है. By reaction of hydrocarbon and nitric acid in the presence of sunlight. That's also correct. Appears on sunny days. Appears only on sunny. Appears on होगा वैसे तो generally. हाँ ठीक है, अगर only वाला नहीं है, but appears on sunny days होगा तो correct हो जाएगा. ठीक है. Is harmful for crops and trees. ये भी correct है. ठीक है, अगर वो नहीं था तो सही किया आपने. CO2 प्राइमरी. आपने CO2 के बारे में पूछा. CO2 प्राइमरी पोल्यूटेंट है. कम ऑन. क्वेश्चन भेजना स्ट्रगल लाइफ. और मैं उस सेटिंग को चेंज करती हूँ. ऋषभ ने भी मुझे बोला ना, मैं करती हूँ उसको. Disinfection of water is done to destroy pathogenic bacteria and thus prevent waterborne diseases. ये this is very simple. अब इसको तो तुम लोग आंख बंद करके you can close your eyes and you can mark the correct answer. ये तो मैं नींद में जगा हूं तो भी आपको बनना चाहिए. I'm using English only, Nagraj. I think I'm not using any Spanish. I said that if you wake up at night also, you should give me the answer. Waterborne diseases. Correct. You can use ozone. It is an oxidizing agent. You can use iodine, which is a halogen compound. You can use chlorine, forms of chlorine. You can use UV rays. Come on. Last one. Inhalation of silica dust by human beings during hand drilling in mica mining. What will happen? What will happen? ये ना डिसइंफेक्शन ऑफ वाटर होगा. इरेडिएशन मीन्स जो हार्मफुल पोल्यूटेंट्स है उसके लिए, बट इतना ज्यादा तो हम लोग से इंग्लिश नहीं पूछेगा. डिसइंफेक्शन कर दो. हार्मफुल कंपोनेंट्स को रिमूवल फॉर दैट. कम ऑन. इनहेलेशन ऑफ सिलिका डस्ट. Nagraj, it is clear now? Means now accent, everything is clear? I thought if I say in between some things in Hindi, the Hindi people will also feel good. So I was like satisfying both the people. It's technically Ritu ABC. Suffocation, shortness of breath, tuberculosis. Dysentery is loose motion. Excuse me. Okay. Clear? Fine. So that's complete your 12 questions. As I promised, 12 questions, 30 minutes. See, I stand on my promise. Scholarship test, you guys can enroll yourself. Link is in the description. And next, let me tell you, group ka setting change kar dijiye. हाँ, मैं group का setting, I'll change it. If I don't know, I'll try to do it. Ask somebody, give me today's time, I'll do that. And guys, just tell me one thing. On 6th I'm planning to do MSQ questions on hydrology. You guys will be coming because see, I have to frame these questions. If you see it, you won't get directly any question of MSQ. So tell me, you guys will be coming, then I'll be taking infiltration, hydrograph, evaporation, or I won't. Tell me fast. You guys will be coming because that will be also theoretical. I'll try because maximum mistakes you guys can yourself see. There is nobody who has given all the 12 answers correctly. Yes? Otherwise, there is no use because I have to prepare the PPT and then I have to select the questions. I have to frame the questions actually because you know there is no book available in the market. Nothing is there which will tell you all the MSQs. Okay, fine. So that also we will take 12, 15 questions and 30 minutes. 6th of February, hydrology at 7 p.m. and there will be last mock test of GATE which will be happening on 6th of February only at 10 a.m. Okay, so both the things are there. Last mock test, guys, because I generally tell you 5 days before the examination, stop giving mock test. So 12th is your paper, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 5 days. So 6th Feb is your last mock test which you will be giving. Okay, and hydrology 6th February evening 7 p.m. Clear? So you guys confirmed, and now if you won't be coming now, then don't expect anything from me. Fine? Okay, so that's all for today, guys. Come on, buck up, do your all the works which you want to do it, with the subjects you want to revise, and meet Abhinav sir, Joshit sir, and me today at 10 p.m. If you are stressed, if you are anxious, or if you have any other problems, you can be with us. Okay? Okay, fine. So guys, take care of yourself. Bye bye and study hard.